It is no secret that VIDIQ is one of the most important YouTube tools that a lot of creators use in getting their YouTube ideas. Those videos that you see pop up on your screen day in, day out, you might be wondering, how do these young content creators, or how do these big content creators always have ideas, topics to talk about or to make videos for their audiences every day? Where do they get these ideas from? And I'm not talking about just big creators, I'm also talking about young creators. You see them, they just started their channel today and they have lots and lots of ideas. And you might be wondering, where do they get these ideas from? Let me break the good news to you. VIDIQ is actually one of the most important tools behind the brain work of numerous ideas that these young content creators and big content creators use in putting out videos for their audience day in, day out. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelmy Light, and I'm the face behind this channel. I created this channel for the sole purpose of helping young content creators like you and I grow so that we can grow organically. All right, you guys, let's just get right into why we are here. Yeah, before I share my screen with you guys, if you know that you do not have the VIDIQ app, I honestly don't know how you're a content creator for YouTube and you do not use VIDIQ. Although there's other apps that do similar things as VIDIQ, but I want to believe that 90% of YouTube content creators actually have the VIDIQ app and they actually make use of the VIDIQ app. So it's just my advice, if you don't have the VIDIQ app, make sure you go download it. But anywho, let's just get right into the screen record. So you guys, I'm going to be showing you my screen, although what I might be saying might end up being different from what you might see as the screen record, because I'm using my other phone, so I might end up recording from this phone. I really do not know how it's going to play, but just listen to what I'm saying. So go to your VIDIQ app, you open it, then at the bottom you can see some icons there. We have today, we have generate. Now this generate, now this is one place that you can use to get ideas, different kind of ideas for your YouTube channel. Now you can see above, you see make a video about. Now that make a video about is maybe you have a video topic, or you have a topic or an idea in your head, but you do not know how to coin your words or the things to say in that video. That is where VIDIQ come in play. Okay, so now let's look for a topic idea. Let me see. Let me go to there. I'll say how to create a YouTube channel. So I've put that in. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on generate idea. Be using how to create a YouTube channel as our topic today. Let's just say I don't know what to say about this topic, but I really want to create the topic. Now, oh my god, as you guys can see, it even gave me a thumbnail. It created a thumbnail for me. Then it also gave me a title, create your own YouTube channel today. This is very interesting. So what else? Then you can see that it gives me the hook. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating blah 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 blah. It's giving me the hook. When you say hook, that is how to start that video to hook your audience so that your audience can stay. Do you understand? It's even giving me that. Then it now outlines everything I'm going to say, like from beginning to the end. It gives you the hook, your introduction, what you're going to say, introduction, presentation, you present the problem, the challenges, exploration, you know, just like you can see on the screen record. So it gives you everything that you need. Now, hasn't this made it easy? Then this is the script here. Are you seeing? This is what VIDIQ can do for you. So that's it. That's number one. Now, what I just showed you guys now is what. Now, sorry, I need to put this as a favorite because I might end up making a video about that, because it has given me, you know, something to talk about. So that is the first way in which you can use VIDIQ to generate ideas for your channel. Then another way is you go to ideas. Okay, look on that. You can see optimize, keywords, and ideas. You click on ideas just like I'm doing. Now, as you can see, it's giving me ideas already. Like on VIDIQ, it gives you daily ideas. You have a limit of 3 daily ideas, except when you upgrade your VIDIQ to, you know, their pro features, you can have so many daily ideas. But if you're not yet upgraded, it's going to give you 3 daily ideas, like every day. So as you can see, I already have some ideas already. Now, what VIDIQ does is that it scans your channel. Now, if you don't have enough content on your channel, you won't be able to get these ideas, because these ideas is being coined from what your channel is about. Do you understand? So I have, okay, how social situations can be awkward. I don't need this, so I'm dismissing. Wedding reception, I don't need it, so I'll dismiss. What I learned from my colleagues during lockdown, I don't need it, so I'll dismiss. Do you understand? So that's just how, so every day you can be going there. When you see any topic that is of your interest and you know that your audience is focused on, you can just save it and use it. So these are ways in which, let me even show you. I have some saved. Let me show you. You see, I have so many saved, what's it called, so many saved videos here. So that's it. Oh, I know the reason why it was showing, because I was actually wondering why it wasn't giving me topics based off of growth channel. I actually logged into VIDIQ for my vlog channel. That was why it was giving me things about vlog, lockdown, and all that. But anywho, as you can see story time, you see, you know, Christmas haul, stuff like that. These are things related to my vlog channel that I do. So if I log into my growth channel, it's going to give me things about, you know, YouTube growth and all that. That way I'll be able to save these topics and create them for my audience. So, and one thing again I like is that it gives you the privilege to know if these topics are highly requested for, or, you know, so that way you will know that, okay, this is a hot trending topic at that point in time, so you get to create them now that it's trending. So these are the two ways you can use your VIDIQ to get YouTube ideas for your channel. So if you know you do not have let me put off my screen record, and yeah, so if you know that you do not have VIDIQ, you can make use of VIDIQ to get daily topics or daily ideas in which you can create for your channel. Alright, you guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications on so you do not miss out on any new video. Alright, you guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.